Morning everybody, welcome to Belize. Welcome on board the Big Mama. My name is Carlos, Captain of Front, Captain Islop, other crew member Gerhard and Joshua. I'd just like to say thank you guys for choosing Belize as your destination for today. But we're 5 miles away from the city due to shallow waters. It's a 20-minute boat ride, just in case of emergency, on both sides of the boat. Beneath the seats along the side where the hatches are open are the life jackets. Rules on board Big Mama. 1, please remain seated while boat is underway. 2, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, and no complaining. If you guys understand everything I just said, let me hear us say, yeah man. Yeah, man.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Belize. Today you guys will be operating from Terminal 1. Now what does that mean? It means all tenders at Terminal 1 goes back to your ship every 30 minutes. Now do you guys know what your last tender time is? 3:30 ship's time. Still with ship's time? We may be in different time zones. So what terminal you guys at? 1. And the boat leaves every 30 minutes. And your last tender time? 3:30. You guys are great listeners. And lastly, if you guys felt like the captain and the crew did a great job bringing you guys safe from your ship to the shore, feel free to show your appreciation on your way off. With that said, may God be with you all, and thank you.